Okay, in this video we are going to be creating Google Classroom classes and connecting them to your Focus account. The county office has Focus set to where it will automatically create Google Classroom classes for you based on your classes in Focus. Well, I don't know about you, but the problem for me where that is concerned is that I teach 3 class periods, but I have 6 classes in Focus because I have juniors and seniors mixed together in one class, so they have to be separated in Focus. I have freshmen and sophomores in a class, so they have to be separated in Focus. And so that comes down to me having 6 Focus classes, which translates to 6 Google Classroom classes. I don't need 6 Google Classroom classes. I need 3, 1 for each period. So you can go in and you can delete those out if you choose to. So we go to CCSD bookmarks, go to Google Classroom. Now, I've already deleted mine out and created mine for this year, but to get rid of a class, you click the 3 little dots right here in the corner, and you archive it, and it'll go away. If you do that and you choose to create your own, cool. Here's how you do that. Are you ready? To create a class in Google Classroom, you simply go up here to this little plus sign, click it, and click Create a Class. Name the class. So I'm going to name this Mrs. Garner's Test Class. You don't have to fill in these parts. You just need to name it. Okay? So create. And we're waiting. And we're waiting. And there we go. It has been created. Now you can get all fancy schmancy and come up here and customize. You can change your header photo, select a photo. They have some for you. Or you can choose your own. Lots of options there. Let's say I like this one. So I'm going to select that theme. And then I can change the color of my stuff, make it cute, all of those things. You can do that. You don't have to do that. It's not necessary, okay? So now this is my class. There's the tardy bell, okay? This is the class code. You can send your students an invitation to join your Google class, or you can simply display this class code in your classroom. They can go to that Google Classroom homepage that we were on. They click the plus sign and they click Join a Class. They enter that code and they're linked to you. Okay? That's just that simple. Once you have that done, if you want your Google Classroom to talk to your Focus. I don't typically set mine that way, but I'm too much of a control freak for those things. However, I know lots of people who do, and they love it. It's great importing. It's all sorts of fun, exciting things. If that's what you want to have happen, you need to go to Focus, select the class that you want. Now, I've selected some random class I'm assigned that has no students in it, but is working out fantastically for the purpose of these videos. I went to that class. I just happened to be in the grade book, but regardless, once you're in that class, there's this great little settings tool over on the side. If you click on settings and you go down to Google Classroom down here at the bottom, you connect it to your Google course. So whichever Google course you want it to have. Now, I haven't refreshed this page since I created that Google course, so let's see if it shows up this time. Oh, there it is. See, I had to refresh to make it pop up, but I can connect this to Miss Garner's test class, click apply, and then they will be connected. Now, I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want any of this stuff stuck, but that is what you would do. And so just like that, you have created your own Google Classroom, you have customized your Google Classroom, and you have connected your Google Classroom to Focus. So that is the bare minimum step one of how to get a Google Classroom created and connected and add your students to it. I will tell you, once you click over here, once you apply it, it will send an invitation to join Google Classroom to the student emails that are attached to that Focus account. So they can either go to their email and accept that invitation to join the Google Classroom, or once again, you simply display this code in class and they click join class, put the code in, and they're entered that way. Either way works, so it is just a matter of what you prefer. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I am here for you, but that is all for this video. Thanks.